This quick video is about how to create a new custom playlist on Spotify in iPhone. Okay, let's quickly open Spotify. Then click on your library. Now touch this plus icon and here enter your playlist name. Let's say Daily Thoughts. Then tap Create. Now your playlist was created and tap Add Songs to add your preferred songs to that playlist. Let's add songs. And to add songs, just click this plus icon. Then it will be added to your playlist like this. Or you can search for any particular song. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's it. You successfully created your playlist on Spotify. Thanks for watching.